Hello one and all, this is Subhan Mullah from German Panther team at Prolifics. In this video, we are going to show how we can copy Panther grids data to Apache OpenOffice spreadsheet using Panther Java interfaces and Apache OpenOffice Java Uno interfaces. So now let's see how exactly we can export Panther grids data into Apache OpenOffice spreadsheet. So these are the Panther Java interfaces that are involved. You can see SM list objects where we can list all the widgets that are present on the Panther screen, SM prop get to get the ID of it, and SMI FPTR to get the value which is present in the widget. Now coming to Apache OpenOffice Java Uno interfaces. First of all, we open the spreadsheet. So this is the exact thing which we do, and get cell range and by position and fill the spreadsheet by using these functions. So now let's just dive into the demo and showcase you how we do it. So as you can see, this is my Panther screen where I have a grid and a couple of rows and columns. So I have two buttons, a populate button and two spreadsheet button. The populate button populates all the data onto the Panther grid, and the to spreadsheet copies all the data from Panther grid to Apache OpenOffice spreadsheet. So let's just demo it once. So I clicked on populate. So it's populating all the data to the grid. So here I have 50 columns and 5,000 rows. So I click on to spreadsheet. So my Apache OpenOffice should open any moment. So right away you can see in a blink of a couple of seconds, it just populated all the 5,000 rows instantly here. So how exactly this is done? So let's just go into Panther. So if we go to the JPL here, I'm calling the Java class something like this. You can see it here. And I'm passing the grid name as well. And now coming to our Java code. So this is how it looks. These are the Panther functions. And at the end, you can see I'm using the Uno interfaces, which I just spoke about. So this is about Apache OpenOffice spreadsheet population from Panther grid.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked our video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifics.com.